In this video, I'll show you how to change the ear tips of your PowerBeats Pro. They're very easy to change, and I don't even think these are the original ones. Just to show you, you don't have to buy original ear tips if you want to change them. So what you need to do is quite easy. First of all, hold the PowerBeats unit with one hand, and with the other hand, I suggest you reverse the actual ear tip that is installed on them. You see, it was like that. I just pull it the other side. Then after doing this, I'll just take 2 fingers here or 3 fingers and pull it out. Just like that, you know, you won't break anything. And by the way, when you change these ear tips, I suggest you clean over here the grill of your PowerBeats Pro, because this will get clogged with earwax, with debris, dust, stuff like that, and you don't even notice it since you have ear tips. So when you remove them, just use a small toothpick or maybe even your finger to remove any debris there. Then when you're ready, very easy, you just need to align them and push. Well, twisting is slightly, I feel that it helps. Okay, and once the tip is inside, just put it back normally, make sure it's staying secure, and you are good to go.